Yo, what up? So I streamed how I cleaned this GTX970 the other day, and then I put it into this very chunky rig I ripped out of an old HP. The card was really dirty, dusty, and the setup was also just something else. Watch what I did and what happened. All I can say is, I was surprised. That's it. Cleaned a bit, repasted it. So now we're gonna test it. Start this thing up. Doesn't burn. Come on. HDMI. Oh, look at that. It actually posts. Yes. That's it. So let's focus on the screen. I'm glad everything worked. The stream was really nice. Nice talking to you guys. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I want to do more stuff like that. I love this shit.
Bye, thank you for watching. Yeah.